2016 I joined up with Andrew at Gibbons, but prior to that Gibbons actually did installations for me for ultraviolet solutions, and because of their competency that they showed at that time, I thought it would be a good fit if I took the technology to Gibbons with a view to creating our own systems. Ultraviolet light operates at it's the C-band of the UVC spectrum, operating at a 254 nanometer, which is the germicidal end of the UVC spectrum. So it kills all virus and bacteria it comes into contact with. So in close proximity to a cooling coil in an air conditioning system, which clogs up with biofilm, it's a very useful solution to rid the coil of that so it can operate at its as-built specification. The benefits of ultraviolet are: 1, keeping a coil clean and free of biofilm, plus the delivery of clean air into the occupied space. Yes, the energy savings come by improving the U value of the cooling coil, returning it back again to its as-built condition. Typically, installations take between 3 and 4 hours, depending on the size of the cooling coil and the location. It works immediately. Typically, 100 hours burn-in time for the photonizer lamp is required for it to work at its optimum level. Ultraviolet light is safe. It's very safe within the HVAC system because there's door safety switches if you want to actually get inside the HVAC unit. And for occupants, it's very safe because it's out of sight and it can't be seen. Typically, large commercial buildings that are moving air around the building, either heating or cooling, ultraviolet's very good when you're actually cooling because the humidification causes the biofilm growth within the cooling coil. Not particularly, just a biennial change out of the lamps. If you're in a highly sort of polluted environment, they could benefit from a wipe down every now and then. Yes, there are, and quite recently we've introduced the bipolar ionisation technology, which can be used with UVC because it's got a different solution within the HVAC system, and it's installed within the duct systems or within cassettes and fan coils.